Welcome to our video on Ashwa Old Coins, the one Pfennig coin from West Germany, Federal Republic of Germany, minted in 1950, has historical and numismatic significance due to its introduction during the post-World War II period. Below is a detailed overview. Sometimes, the smallest objects carry the heaviest stories. Take this one Pfennig coin from Germany, minted in 1950. Just a single coin, so small it might slip through the cracks of a table or fall between the pages of an old book. Yet, within its modest copper plating lies a story of war, peace, recovery, and the resilience of a nation. The story of the 1950 German one Pfennig coin. A narrator sits at a table with a small coin under a spotlight, surrounded by books, maps, and other historical artifacts. One Pfennig. Federal Republic of Germany, West Germany. 1950. The coin was part of the Deutsche Mark currency system introduced after World War II to replace the Reichsmark and stabilize the economy. The front of this coin is simple, the number 1, with Pfennig inscribed beneath it. The back features a stylized oak seedling. This imagery is significant. Oak trees are a symbol of strength, endurance, and longevity in German culture, a fitting metaphor for a nation that aimed to rise again, stronger than before. Obverse features a small oak seedling representing Germany's post-war recovery and growth. The oak tree has symbolic importance in German culture, often associated with strength, endurance, and peace. Reverse shows the denomination 1 Pfennig with the mint mark below. Around the denomination, Bank Deutscher Länder, Bank of German States, is written, as it was the overseeing financial institution before the creation of the Bundesbank in 1957. 3. Material and specifications. Composition. Copper-plated steel, cupronickel. Diameter. 16.5 millimeters. Weight. Approximately 1.5 grams. Edge plain. 4. Mint marks and minting locations. Germany's coins are marked with letters to indicate where they were minted. The mint marks for 1950 include D. Munich. F. Stuttgart. G. Karlsruhe. J. Hamburg. Each mint produced a varying number of coins, with differences in rarity and value based on mint location. The one Pfennig coin from 1950 had the following estimated mintage by mint. D. Munich, 1,870,000. F. Stuttgart, 10,835,000. G. Karlsruhe, 12,375,000. J. Hamburg's, 20 million. Coins with certain mint marks, like J. Hamburg, are slightly more common. Collectors often seek coins from the 1950 minting due to their historic context. Germany's division. Post-war Germany was divided into East and West, and the one Pfennig coin belonged to the currency of West Germany. Economic reforms, the Deutsche Mark and its coins, including the Pfennig, were symbols of West Germany's economic recovery under the Marshall Plan. Reunification impact. After reunification in 1990, these coins remained legal tender until the euro was introduced in 2002. Mint script. The one Pfennig coin uses a sans serif, highly legible German script for inscriptions like Bank Deutscher Länder. Language. All inscriptions are in German, reflecting national pride and identity in the currency design. This little seedling also represents hope. In 1950, Germany was still under Allied occupation. Much of the economy was in shambles. West Germany's new Deutsche Mark, introduced in 1948, was gradually stabilizing prices and restoring faith in the currency. For many Germans, these coins became a symbol of a fresh start. The one Pfennig coin was eventually discontinued with the introduction of the euro in 2002. However, it remains a popular item in numismatic circles, both for its history and symbolic meaning. After World War II, Germany was a land marked by devastation and division. By 1950, the country was split into East and West, and two distinct economies had formed. This one Pfennig coin was minted in West Germany, the Federal Republic of Germany, just 1 year after it was founded in 1949. This was a time of rebuilding, of reconstructing everything, from infrastructure to social structures. Depending on condition, mint mark, and historical interest, 1951 Pfennig coins range in value from nominal to several dollars. Collectors highly value coins in uncirculated or mint condition due to their historical resonance in post-war Europe. Thank you for joining me on this journey through history, seen through the eyes of a humble coin. Remember, every story has value, just like every pfennig did.